Hi guys, this is your sensei Willie saying, and I'm back with another video. Before you tune in and before we get into today's business, I'd really appreciate for you to hit the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And with that said, let us just get into today's business and what today has in store for us. So, this is episode 2 of the trading diaries of me becoming a funded trader. Understand the challenge of me becoming a funded trader. This is day 2, and I'm just gonna simply kick things off by going into the charts. It's currently 7:50. I'm gonna trade the London opening, which is at 9 a.m. So I have an hour or so from now. So I'm just gonna quickly look at the markets and look at what is it that I should be anticipating during the market opening, and maybe I can get a trade that we can execute. And also, if it goes well, we are gonna also then trade the New York session. So the plan is I take one trade in the in the London session, and if it goes well, then I'll use the capital that I got from the London session to trade the New York session and hopefully make more from that. Understand? In that way, it will be easier and quicker for me to get this done and dusted. So to stop talking too much, because I don't really have enough time. After this, I'm gonna go shower, take a shower real quick, and then we're gonna look at the London session. But just take a look at the market. So this is silver. I'm currently looking at silver, and as you all can see, this is our daily chart. Right, this is our daily chart. So from the daily chart, what I'm seeing is that we had this resistance here, of which price came and tapped into, and then it gave us this reversal, right? So what I'll be anticipating from this information here is that, from my understanding, I can see that whenever price closed below this area here, we got sells, right? So as you can see, it closed there, we got this sell, it came in and retested, we got this sell, it came and tested, we got this sell, it came again, we got this sell, understand? But at this point, it seems like this resistance or this support here is holding the price off quite well, you understand? Let me just quickly do this. Since I go to 0.5, okay. Just quickly do this. So with what I'm seeing here is that we've been on a bullish trend, as you can see, and this could possibly be a correction because this structure here, price is broken out of it, understand? So I just want to see how price is going to behave. Just want to see how price is going to behave, because you see that we have this nice strong support area which price is failing to break, and then we also have this nice resistance area which price is failing to break. So I'm gonna be looking to trade within this range here. As you all can see, this is the range that the market is currently in. So I'll be looking to trade in this range, to buy from the lowest point or to sell from the highest point, you understand? And right now, from what I'm looking at here, I can see that price is likely to sell in this session. We're likely to have price push to the downside in this session, but let me just fix my support and resistance in a nice manner. So this is the 4-hour chart, and in the 4-hour we can see that we had this nice trend line here, of which eventually then got violated. So I want to see if ever price is gonna be able to break below here, come and give us a test, and then continue to the downside. But it's the 4-hour, and I cannot really make a decision based off of that alone, you understand? So I'm just gonna simply dive into the 1-hour real quick. So another thing is that whenever the price closed bullish above this zone here, we had this push to the upside. It came and closed bullish, we had a push to the upside, came and closed bullish, we had a push to the upside, came and closed bullish, we had this push to the upside. So price came here, closed bearish, went above our resistance area, came again, and then now we eventually closed bullish again. But I'm just interested to see how price is going to behave from this point here. Understand? So to just tweak my support nicely there. So here's what I'll be anticipating. You can see that we had our first touch. This could be our second touch, and then I'll be looking to take our buy from our third touch here, right? So let's quickly dive into the 5 minutes. Quickly dive into the 5 minutes. So we are pretty much fast approaching our area of interest, which is the touch here, and then we're going to be anticipating buys from there, because I still believe that we are on a bullish trend. Let me just quickly do this. Let me just adjust my things now. Let me just adjust. So we can see that price gave us this bullish move, came and tested and gave us this big buy, and then it came also here, gave us this big buy. So I want to see price tap into here again for us to get that big buy, and that is pretty much gonna be my analysis for silver. I think I'll be looking to trade silver. Let me just take a quick look on gold to see what's happening. Also gold, we can see that we are busy selling as of now. Let me look at the dollar index. We gapped up during the market opening, okay, and this was an area of interest whereby I was anticipating to see price at least shoot to the upside, but we're just gonna watch and observe and see what it does here. Since it gapped up, it may gap up like this and then continue going to the downside, but we don't really know what's gonna happen. I'm not a market maker, I'm just a speculator. Understand? I'm just here to make a decision on based off of two choices, which is buying or selling. So also GBP USD went crazy. It even broke the previous high, 4-hour high. It was just going crazy. So right now, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be looking at silver, and then we're gonna do this. I'm gonna take a trade at London opening, and we're gonna kill it. So thank you all for tuning in, and we're gonna continue from 9 a.m. Right now the time is 7:57, so at 9 a.m. we are gonna be executing. You can see our price eventually tapped into our area of interest, and now I took my buy. I could have taken it earlier, but I unfortunately missed that opportunity. But then I managed to get another trade opportunity, and as you can see, this is how it's going so far. We are up by $70. So I said that if price were to close above 30 point sorry about that, 30.621, as you can see this green line here, then I'm gonna add more buys, of which price did so. The reason why the trades are up there is because of the spread. The spread opened the trades up there, but for now, as you can see, we are running in some profits nicely. But another thing that I was looking at is that if price closes below 36.21, then I'm gonna manually close the trade. I'm not gonna hold it up until when my stop loss is, because I'm risking way more than anticipated, you see. So let's just see, we are up by $100. We are up by $100. I like how it's pushing. So I'll keep you all updated in the next by 150. I'm I may close $200 here. I may close $200. I may close $200. Let us see. 200. But there's a lot of momentum, eh? So we may pass this challenge with this one trade. But since I am compounding, I feel like it will be best for me to just close this trade here. Understand me? Let me close this trade. Will it go back to $200? Let me close this trade and I'm out. Just made $200 for the day. I'm done for the day. So we're gonna meet, as I was saying, so we're gonna meet during the London session. I mean the New York session. I probably shouldn't have closed that trade to be honest, but I made $200, so it's cool. We're just gonna compound this, and obviously I'm gonna look for another trading setup during the New York session. So I'm pretty much done for this session, and we're just gonna wait and observe and just go on about our day up until we are back for the New York session. So let me just quickly show you all the trade. So yeah, this was the trade taken. As you all can see, price did tap into our area of interest. Although I was anticipating that it's gonna go all the way up to there, I feel like I'm in a much more better position to hold such trades, knowing that I'm using the profit that I made to capitalize of other opportunities that are gonna present themselves. You understand? So I'm pretty happy with the setup that we got, and I'm pretty happy that price reacted the very same way I anticipated. And now we're just gonna probably see price is probably gonna hit TP, and I was just not patient enough to hold it. And also I'm looking at the fact that I'm looking to compound this account on a consistent basis. You understand? So I am not looking forward to just passing this challenge at one go. So today we are up by $200 so far. We're gonna meet up in the New York session. Stay tuned.